Let the world discover you. Welcome to episode number 778. This is all part of my Sales Secrets series, and my name is Peter Beckenham, the Village Marketer. We all have talents, right? And yeah, we all hit the wall sooner or later. You will, and if you haven't hit it yet, it's coming, so get ready for it, right? My question is this: how much do you really want to succeed? Okay? Don't play games with yourself. How serious are you about succeeding? Because when you hit that darn brick wall, you've got to be able to climb over it, right? And if you're not totally committed to success, if you give up too easy, it's not going to happen. I mean, think of some famous people in this world, right? Like Elvis, right? Elvis Presley. Showing my age, right? Elvis Presley was rejected so many times in Memphis, they told him he couldn't sing. Right? Colonel Sanders was rejected by 1,009 people for his chicken recipe. Albert Einstein took him 9 years to get a job, and that was a low-level clerk job, right? And probably one of the reasons because he was a rebellious bugger anyway, right? But 9 years to get a job, and it was low-level clerk. Walt Disney, he was fired because of a lack of imagination, right? Oprah Winfrey, she was told, you're not good for television. I mean, J.K. Rowling of Harry Potter fame, right? She was divorced and on welfare and rejected by every publisher around, right? My God, there must be so many people who fought the crunch by making these stupid decisions about some of these now very famous people. And the message is this, the commentary is they never gave up, right? And the good part is, you are not alone. You don't give up, but you're not alone. Don't let your ego get in the way of your true requirements, your true needs, okay? Reach out for help. Reach out. Please do that. You are amazing, so get up and go for it. If you want some help, here I am. peterbeckenham.com/share. SHARE. Come and talk about it. Until next time, best wishes from Thailand. Bye for now.